How's it going, guys? I made this little car, which I guess I've actually made a video about a few days ago too, but I've tweaked it a little bit, and it has an FPV camera on the front, and it is running with a laptop battery, which I plug into a laptop to charge it. And then this is another little battery pack, which I just use for the 5-volt input to the Arduino and the receiver, and I guess the FPV camera as well. And it works pretty well. And I've got my SkyDroid receiver right here, and that's an image on my phone. So then I'm able to basically just look at the image of this moving, and I'm trying to control it with one hand right now. There we go, and I'm almost gonna run it into something. But anyway, just wanted to show that real quick. I'm doing this so that I can practice doing some coding with the Arduino, and potentially even add some GPS functions to it. Would be really cool if I could figure that out. So I'm just trying to do that so I can apply it to the drone. I figured that would be a better idea than working on the drone while, I don't know, I guess just if something goes wrong, it's actually flying in the sky and it can fall out of the sky, versus this just stops driving. So that's just my thought. Anyway, just want to show that off. So thanks you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.